Here are 3 ways to back up WhatsApp messages. Now, if you're on an iPhone or Android, whatever you have, and you want to back up those WhatsApp messages, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the first and easiest thing you can do is open up WhatsApp here, and we're going to tap on settings at the bottom right. Now you can see midway down is chats. Let's choose that. And here you can see midway down is chat backup. So I can tap on that. The nice thing is that WhatsApp has it built in to automatically back up all of your conversations. So you can see auto backup, I have it set for weekly, include videos, and now all I have to do is hit backup. Now this will back up every single message and conversation on the basically WhatsApp app. You can see it goes through this process and it'll back up 124 megabytes. Now another option you have in terms of backing up is to hit this export chat. Now you can just choose a conversation here, say this is the one I want to export. I can just tap on it and then hit attach with media and it'll start exporting it. And all I have to do is say send that to an email address. I can save it to the files on my phone. I can do all those different things. Now these are 2 options you have directly within WhatsApp, but there is a third option in your phone itself. So let's open up settings here and then tap on your name at the very top. And then iCloud midway down. Now you can see here apps using iCloud. Let's hit show all here. And what we'll do is we'll find WhatsApp on this list. So at the very bottom here is WhatsApp. You can see that is toggled on to use iCloud. This will basically use your iCloud to back up all those messages. So if that is toggled off, just toggle it on. And then basically that will be another way that all of those messages are backed up. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below. I'll catch you on the next one. If this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.